2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Those vegan guys. I thank you.
Hello, I'm Paul.
I'm Jason.
And together we are Those Vegan Guys. I've got deja vu. Have we already said this once today, Jason?
Possibly.
It's our second video of the day, but you won't know that if you've just come across the Stovetop sausage casserole recipe. Oh, that sounds very interesting. Let's go and see how. Now, this is really is a simple recipe, but we love it. It is quite adaptable, and it's great for a family meal. And of course, it's completely vegan.
And it's just mighty tasty,
yeah.
Isn't it? It's really tasty. It's one of my favourites. But then I think I say that about all of them. I think I do. But it's gorgeous anyway.
It is. So let's get on with it and show you how to do a very simple stovetop sausage casserole to serve to your family and friends and make them realise how wonderful vegan food really is. Oh, hello, there you are. I was looking around for you, and there you are, of course. So for this particular dish tonight, I'm going to be using these, which are the Linda McCartney original sausages. And just for reference, by the way, these are actually really good on fat. Per 2 sausages, per 2 sausages, 9 grams of fat, of which saturates 1.8. It's not too bad.
That's not bad at all.
So I don't want to be adding any more fat to these, so I'm not going to fry them. They're going in the oven, and I'm going to cook them in there before I add them to the pan, which is, I've got about a tablespoon. Yeah. About a tablespoon of oil. I'm still going the oil route. I've got my mandolin. Does anyone else use one of these? Crazy mandolin.
Scare me.
Well, it's just, I mean, as long as you're safe with them. And I'm just going to do a white onion. 1 white onion in slices, and a green and a red pepper. You don't need to see me doing that, so we'll come back when this is all sliced up lovely. See you in a minute. So I've got my white onion, my red and my green pepper all sliced up with a mandolin. There's still some seeds in there and even some kind of inner pith. Taking the pith from the pepper, but I don't mind that so much. Straight into a really hot wok with very little oil. Oh, what have I done? Should have separated them like that. I can still do that now.
Hey, this is the real world.
I know. What am I always saying? I'm no Nigella. I had boobs almost and figured not so long back, but I'm on a diet. So I'm just going to fry this now. And what I want to do is, I want to get some dark edges on the pepper and the onion. And then when I add water, that becomes part of the stock. The other, by the way, really crucial ingredient is this, and it's Bisto Best caramelised onion gravy powder. So all I use is the water that I add to this. I don't even add a stock cube. I add some tomato puree with garlic, and I add that. And it makes a gorgeous sauce. Now sometimes, instead of adding the gravy powder, I will add the tomato puree to the water, and then I will add passata. We've had it very tomatoey, haven't we, sometimes, Jason, where basically I haven't put the onion gravy in.
Yeah.
So there's 2 ways of doing it, but then, I mean, the facts are, it's really tasty, it's really delicious, and you're eating the rainbow. You know, you're getting all that in. So right, we'll, oh, I best get the potatoes on. Why didn't you tell me put potatoes on, Jason?
I don't know about cooking.
You know stuff.
Nah.
Don't make out like you're deaf, lad.
I know now. Oh, those lips are so vivid on your t-shirt.
Are they?
Yeah.
Well, the Mazza's lips, aren't they? We all know about Mazza. She was amazing. I decided I wasn't going to waste that bit of green pepper. Waste not, want not. You know what I mean?
I know.
You might as well give them a break from my mush, Jay, now, and we'll come back when this has got to the point where I'm going to add the water. See, I've got some bits of char now. I've even got some burned bits, but we've got some nice colour on some of them. It's all softened, lovely. So now, literally, I add water. That should be enough for now. And you know what I said about how you don't need a stock cube necessarily? Come and have a look. So all the flavours in there, it's all that char that you've just created.
It's delightful.
See, so we'll turn that up a bit now and start that to simmer. While we're on the subject as well, I keep feeling like I have to rush. It's because of your arms.
Oh, that's okay.
I worry about you.
I'm getting used to it now.
Garlic granules. Me and Jason are garlic crazy. So that's an optional element that you don't have to put in. Do you want to finish off the Chow chili oil in this gravy, Jason?
Can you finish it off?
From the existing jar.
Oh yeah, why not?
Oh, there's quite a lot there, Karen. Not even kidding you. Sorry. Hiya.
Coming that close.
Oh, there's a lot here. Shall I do it? Look. I will. We are really into our chilli, but of course you don't have to add this. And this really is Chinese chili oil. Well, it's not. It's just chili and oil. It's made by a Chinese company.
Yeah.
But we like a kick in our sauce, don't we?
We certainly do.
Some folk might not. But we do. I'm going to add some more water to this soon, but what I'm going to do now is boil some rather than making it into the pan. Stop looking at it, you're giving it a conscience.
It's gorgeous.
Oh, smell like chilli. There's no salt in its butts. Oh, we're doing something different with the mash as well tonight. Normally, I would put milk and spread, you know, like flora, into mashed potatoes. But tonight, I'm just going to put a bit of cocoa milk and NOOCH and go for that kind of cheesy, nutty mash. And again, low oil. I'm trying, Karen, I'm trying. Yeah, just leave that simmering now, and then I'll get a bit more water in, get this in, get it thickened up, and then throw the sausages in while the potatoes are mashing and everything. See you in a minute. So because there's quite a lot of veg in there, We want it nice and saucy too. I think that's about right. Yeah. Oh no, I've got the sausages to go in yet, haven't I? So a little bit more water. And then I will add my Bisto Best caramelised onion gravy powder. Just splashed myself.
I'm staying at a strategic distance.
Good for you. That's about right, because that will now thicken up. And now I want to get the sausages in there. Da 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 da. Ba-da-da-da. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Everyone remembers the count. There we go, so the sausages are already cooked and now they're just going to simmer away in there. And my final ingredient is just, oh, the big ball there. Don't want that one, one of these loose ones. Come on. Nice big handful of frozen peas. Now you serve this with mashed potatoes for your family of 4. Your kids would even love this. I mean, it's sausages and gravy when all's said and done. But let's be posh and call it a stovetop sausage casserole, because the only thing it's not doing is casseroling in a casserole dish. But it is a stovetop one. And there you go. Stovetop sausage casserole. We will show you a nice slow motion shot as we pour it onto the plate with the mashed potato, because we're YouTubers, it's what we do. I've got my milk and my NOOCH in the mashed potato, ready to mash, and the final thing I'm going to do is add tomato puree with garlic, a really good squeeze into this sauce. It just adds that last boost to the flavour and that last little bit of thickening. But do that, I would do that in the last few minutes, because it doesn't necessarily need cooking through. It's a tomato paste when all's said and done. Just make sure it's mixed in well. And look at the colour of that now, it's added that nice reddish hue to it. That's it.
It's beautiful, and more importantly, it smells gorgeous from where I'm stood right here.
Right.
I've just got Marilyn right in my face.
Sorry about that. I'm sure she's quite sorry too. Oh, the NOOCH smells lovely in the mashed potato, but it's had quite a drying quality on it. So just a little bit more milk. Milk we always use for everything. Cocoa, love it. That's been our we've tried other milks, haven't we?
Yeah.
But we've always stuck with cocoa as our main one. Right, time to get plated up. The slow motion shot is upon us.